A fight is never as exciting without a little anger.
Our anger is in our colors.
But where are your weapons?
We have none of those in our wars.
Fine. But there has to be an issue. What will two sides fight for?
According to the holy text, even your people were born from something.
Of course. Just like you, we were born from the great sneeze of the Creator.
Now I understand why you are so flippant.
We cannot keep still in one place.
That is not good.
Who said it's good? The result of the great sneeze still haunts me.
One good thing is, I can see you won't be able to stay here long enough either. Soon you'll be out of here.
Yes, that is difficult.
What is your war like?
Our war is equivalent to 4 pairs of great sneezes.
What? Then it must be very chaotic.
Very.
Do you follow a rhythm too?
Of course.
You are definitely not our class. What caste do you belong to?
We are the caste of the nose, since we were born from there.
We have never heard of any such castes ever.
That is because you were thrown upwards by the great yawn, and we were sneezed down to earth.
You are strange because you were born from the uncontrollable sneeze.
At last you have spoken the truth. We truly are strange. But that is precisely why we are here. To do what cannot be done.
But rules?
If you don't break rules, you'll never be free.
I cannot believe my ears. They want to be free.
Why live if not for freedom?
Freedom?
শৃঙ্খলা কই পাগল ঝর্ণাগুলো দক্ষিণ পর্বতে পাগল ঝর্ণাগুলো ওদিকে যেও না 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 চলো সমান পথে চলো নিয়ম পথে চলো নিয়ম মতে 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 চলো নিয়ম মতে
We've had quite enough. Here comes the king and the queen. They will hold court here today. Here, take your twigs, everybody.
Twig! Why?
Stop laughing. That's the rule. Now sit with your face towards the northeast and don't ever look back.
Why?
Rules.
Come, let us sing praises for the king. It might please him. Would you sway the twig for me?
জয় জয় দাস বংশ অবদংশ বীরা সরসী নীরে রাজবংশ জয় জয় দাস বংশ অবদংশ বীরা সরসী নীরে জয় জয় দাস বংশ অবদংশ তাম্রকূট ঘন ধ্রুববিলাসী আমরা চিরনিবাসী সবংশ
Oh no! You have just ruined the meeting. Barbarians!
Silence! Who are they?
Foreigners!
Foreigners? Then the usual rules cannot be applied. Change places, everyone. Then only can we save the day. We will begin with our national anthem.